In this video, 8 1N4007 diodes are connected in series, powered with 12 volts DC. The positive voltage is applied to the anode of the first diode, and the voltage is measured step by step using a digital multimeter. There is no load connected, so this is an open circuit measurement. At the cathode of the last diode, the voltage drops to about 9.5 volts. Interestingly, the voltage drop across each diode is around 0.4 volts instead of the usual 0.7 volts. Why is the voltage drop lower? Because the diodes are in an open circuit, the current is extremely small, almost zero. Diode forward voltage decreases when the current is low. Diode voltage drop approximately 0.2 volts to 0.7 volts depending on current. No load equals very small current, lower VF. Forward drop of 1N4007 is not fixed. It depends on current and temperature. At low current, it may drop around 0.3 to 0.4 volts instead of 0.7 volts. With real load, the voltage drop increases closer to 0.6 to 0.7 volts. This experiment clearly shows how diode voltage drop changes when no load is present. If you enjoyed this test, like the video and follow for more electronics experiments.